A very good evening and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network, and we are back so that we talk about important matters happening in the nation Zimbabwe. Another general is dead again within a month. Remember that a few weeks ago, another one was buried by Vice President Chiwenga at the National Heroes Acre, and another one is dead again just a few weeks later or a few days later. So this is Air Commodore Gedion Zimondi. He was involved in an accident a few weeks ago. He was in coma and he has passed away. Set free says, "Death has once again robbed us. We have been crushed. No words can describe what we are going through right now. A father, a brother, an uncle, a great soldier, retired General Air Commodore Peter Gedion Zimondi. You were a huge pillar of strength, a symbol of family unity and true leadership. A giant has fallen, our hero who puts others before himself, a selfless man whose presence always changed the circumstances. Your impact in our lives will never be forgotten. Gono, you have left us in the cold, but only God knows why. I guess you had to join Mbiavedu. Rest in peace, Gono. Rest in peace, Mturikwa, till we meet again." So I want to show you this comrade who passed away. This is the comrade. This is retired Air Commodore Zimondi. He was a brother to Parents Chii. Is it Parents Chii? I will have to verify, but I believe that he was a brother to Parents Chii. Yes, he was a brother to Parents Chii, and we have to confirm about those details. So Air Commodore Peter Zimondi was a cousin to the late Parents Chii, and he was in coma since the time he was involved in a nighttime accident near Zororo Cemetery along Seke Road, and it has been widely reported that he is no more. You know, this is what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. A very sad situation at this point in time. The family is bereaved. You know, when someone escapes from an accident and is in coma, the prayers will be maybe one day you will wake up, will be able to talk, will be able to have conversations, but he's gone. So anzi rumwe vakatarisa zvakaoma izvi zvikanzi good best riddance. Okay, it seems as if a lot of people are celebrating this. He's taking them all of them one by one. He wants his family to be in power forever. Okay, so I'm feeling sorry for Chiwenga. He sacrificed a lot to make Mnangagwa president, but now he's on the list to be eliminated. Shame. Okay, these are thoughts of Rio African. So you know what is happening is so dangerous. You know, we have talked about these issues. We have talked about elimination of very critical people within the armed forces, both serving and retired. You know, once a soldier, always a soldier. You cease to be a soldier the day you die. That is the norm, because these comrades, they promote their own people. Some of their own people, they promote them. So what it means is by promotion, they will forever be loyal to you. Kashoma kuti vasava loyal kwauri in their ranks. So it's very sad, Team Zimbabwe. This is the general who is normal, who has gone to be with other comrades. It's a very sad situation happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. And let us try to bring some views from Kozwa right here, so that we hear their thoughts and also their views regarding this whole issue. It's very important for us to note that a lot is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. There is a lot of shaking happening at this point in time in the nation of Zimbabwe. And we hope and believe that this shaking is not going to leave Zimbabwe in tatters. But yes, one thing which I believe that some of these things which are happening, God is cleansing Zimbabwe. God is actually doing great things to make sure that he cleans. Ukatasa mafira akaita vana dzamara, mafira akaita vana tondera indira, mafira akaita vana learn more Jongwe. All these comrades, even vanamogentsvangirai vakafa ndufu dzairwadza. It's either uri kufane cancer, abduction, or murder. These are the deaths we have seen of politicians, many politicians from the opposition. And, you know, these people have gone for a long time unpunished. And yes, we say because we feel that even if we keep quiet, we will die. This is the reason why we talk on daily basis, but it doesn't mean that we are safe. Doesn't mean that difficult for you to be believed. So these are the comrades, some of them who are participating in these things, who are letting these things happen under their watch. These are the people who are failing to do their constitutional mandate to make sure that if they'd allowed someone like Chamisa to take over the leadership of Zimbabwe, we could be happy at this point in time. Tisina makuva ese arikunyuka. But it is what it is. Thomas, thank you very much for the contribution. He says Army General's work related with VP Chwenga Shem. So it's true this comrade is somehow related to the VP. These were the people who were very close. If you look at it, the whole team, varikupera one by one, varikungorova pasi, and you know, kana iri ngozi, iyi ngozi yakaoma, iri kuita kunonzi chapedza, kutsvaira, and hatizoti ngozi ndeyani chaizvo chaizvo. But this is what is happening. I know that a lot of people will say my conspiracies or whatever, but it's so wrong. You know, we need to live in a better Zimbabwe. Isina tunu tukakawanda tunenge tuchiitika. But if you take a look onto how these comrades are perishing and dying, the accident has never been explained by the people who know for sure what is happening. We have not heard about any explanation. Irinan. So okay, we have to come and talk about the issue which we promised Kutina 3. We failed to come because of network issues, but we are here. We wanted to check if there is no update from Neva Masera say on this issue. Ya General Avaenda. But may Isro rest in peace. This is what is happening in the nation Zimbabwe. We hope and believe that change will come to the nation of Zimbabwe in our lifetime.